This module gives tuition on the advanced features of the Bible screen. To access the Bible, tap the Bible icon. The icon is identified by a Bible silhouette. When you tap the Bible icon, you will see the screen change color. Also, a red spinning circle will appear for approximately 3 to 5 seconds to notify you that the Bible screen is loading. Do not press anything during this process. When loaded, the Bible will open at the last passage you read. Tap the Options icon on the top left of the screen. A menu will slide from the side. This tutorial will examine each of the options on this menu. There are multiple versions of the Bible within the electronic library. However, some may need to be downloaded from the internet before they can be read. On the Bible Options menu, tap Versions. A new panel will appear displaying all available Bible versions. To the right of each version will be a colored cloud. A green cloud shows that the version is installed and can be read. An orange cloud shows that the version is available but needs to be downloaded. A yellow cloud shows the version is selected for download. The process for downloading using the sync screen will be explained in another module. Bookmarks are saved shortcuts that let you quickly open a Bible reference. Tap Bookmarks on the Bible Options menu to open the Bookmarks panel. The Bookmarks panel will list all your saved bookmarks. Tap on a reference to open it. To add a new bookmark, tap the desired Bible verse number. A menu bar will appear. Tap the icon on the left to save the current reference as a new bookmark. The verse will underline in a different color and be added to the Bookmarks panel. Alternatively, you can add a new bookmark for the current reference from the Bookmarks panel. You can remove bookmarks in two ways. Firstly, tap on the existing bookmark verse number to show the menu bar. Then tap the first icon to remove the bookmark. The verse will no longer be underlined. Alternatively, in the Bookmarks panel, tap the X button beside the bookmark you want to remove. Highlights mark Bible verses for easier identification. Different colors are available to categorize your highlighted verses. Tap Highlights in the Bible Options menu to open the Highlights panel. The Highlights panel shows the 4 available colors with associated verses beneath them. Tap a color to view each of the related Bible references. To highlight a verse, navigate to the Bible passage. Tap the verse number. A menu will appear showing 4 colors to choose from. Tap the desired color and the verse will be highlighted. By tapping the same color again, the highlight will be removed. Changes are automatically saved. The Show Hide navigation option removes the navigation menu at the top of the screen. This is useful when space is limited, like using the Bible while reading an e-book. On the Bible Options menu, tap Show Hide Navigation to remove the navigation menu. The menu will slide away. To make it reappear, just reverse the process. The Book Details option provides useful information about the current Bible book. In the Bible Options menu, tap Book Details. The Book Details panel will be displayed listing the book's genre, approximate date written, and position in the canon. The side-by-side facility splits the screen so you can read two passages of the Bible at the same time. They can be viewed in either portrait or landscape layout. In the Bible Options menu, tap Side by Side. The screen will split to duplicate both current references. Using landscape mode is useful here to be able to read more text. To edit a Bible version or reference, use the navigation menu at the top of each split screen. You can use the same passage in two different versions simultaneously if you wish. To restore the screen, open the Bible Option menu and tap Side by Side again. The screen will return to a single chapter. Viewing options lets you change how the Bible appears. You can edit colors, text size, and spacing to make for more comfortable viewing. In the Bible Option menu, tap Viewing Options. The Viewing Options panel will appear. The colors at the top refer to the screen background color. As black text on a white background can strain the eyes, try different colors to see what suits. A black background with a white text is useful for nighttime reading. Tapping the plus or minus icons will enlarge or decrease the text size. Edits will save for when you return. The font can also be changed between a modern smooth style to a traditional serif style. Tap on this control to view the available fonts and tap on a font to select it. Tap on these icons to change line spacing. This refers to the vertical distance between each Bible verse text. Tapping Revert to Default returns all viewing options to the factory settings. Strong's Concordance provides a comprehensive reference to the Bible. Each original language word is given an entry number in the index. This is called the Strong's number. These references give the meaning of the word in the original language along with related words. Hebrew words have a prefix of H. The Greek words have a prefix of G. Please note that this facility is only available in the KJV and some other versions. In the Bible Options menu, tap Strong's References while using the KJV Bible. The Strong's reference number will appear in blue within the Bible text. Tap the blue number to open the Strong's panel. The Strong's panel shows information about the selected word number, including meanings and phonetic pronunciations. Any related numbers will be shown to the right. To exit the screen, press the X button at the top right. To hide the Strong's Concordance, open the Bible Options menu and tap Strong's References again. Cross-references display related Bible verses and are useful when researching a theme or topic. Tap on a verse number and the cross-reference panel will slide up from the bottom of the screen. Tap the panel to make it bigger. A list of related references will show. You may need to swipe across to view them all. To hide cross-references, tap the bottom of the panel to minimize it or the X button to remove it completely. You have now completed this module. To recap, close this video, then press the Start button to complete the summary questions before proceeding to the next module.